welcome back to my channel Ahana's Weather World. Today we are going to be making a Father's Day special food, which is chicken sukka. Chicken sukka is Mangalore's specialty food. So let's get started. To make chicken sukka, what we need: fennel seeds, cumin seeds, coriander seeds, cinnamon sticks, fenugreek, black peppercorn, cloves, red chilli, curry leaves, garlic, ginger, garlic, onion, scraped coconut, tamarind, turmeric, chicken, and some ghee.
To make chicken sukka masala, we need to roast all these spices first in a medium flame pan. All the spices are taken in pan and made little roast. So you can see here the color has been changed. Now we are going to put a handful of curry leaves. Okay, these curry leaves, once you put the curry leaves, you just make a bit of crunchiness for the curry leaves. Just mix it together with the spices. The curry leaves are already been bit of the color changed. So now we will remove these spices and curry leaves and keep it for to get cold on a plate. So the same pan, please add 1 spoon of coconut oil in pan. Let it get heat. So add the red chillies. It's about 7 to 8 Baydgi chillies. Okay. Then add garlic, ginger and garlic. Roast these all items for about 5 to 10 seconds or 20 seconds. Garlic, ginger, chilli is already sauteed well in a coconut oil. You guys can see this. So now we are ready to blend this all spices. After this get cold, so the spices already got cold, it's ready to blend. The same pan we will add a scrap coconut. Add a small teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix well this coconut with the turmeric powder and saute until get a dry. Grind the spices and all the chilies, garlic, ginger. Add tamarind pulp. So pinch of turmeric powder while grinding. Grind this very fine. Take a deep pan to start with the preparation. So add a ghee about 1 to 2 spoon in a heat pan. So add a coconut oil about 2 to 3 spoon. The oil is already heat. Now add onions. You made the sliced onions, add it. Saute it till brown. The onions are getting golden, getting fried in slow flame. Add a bit of sugar for the onions to get caramelized. So this will give you a color, and salt. So saute again. See, the onions are already fried well. You can see the brownish color of onions. So now you add a curry leaves, like about 7 to 8 pieces of curry leaves, and saute for about 10 to 15 seconds. We're ready to add the chicken in the pan. As you can see, guys, the fresh chicken we're adding. So once you add all the chicken, you have to keep for about 10 to 15 minutes to get chicken cooked. The chicken should not be cooked entire. It should be cooked for about 30 to 40%. Don't overcook. So to cook the chicken, close the pan with the lid and keep it for about, as I said, 10 to 15 minutes. The chicken is almost 50% cooked. You can see the water coming out from the chicken. So please don't add the water. So now you add the masala which you grinded, about 2 to 3 spoons. Don't add all. You can add this masala later once you mix this chicken with this masala according to your spice level. The masala has been added to the chicken and mixed well. Now add 1 cup of water. Once you add the water, mix well. Keep it for about 6 to 7 minutes to cook the masala along with the chicken. Now we have this coconut which is we sauteed in a pan. Add in this jar and grind only in pulse, not very fine, just 1 pulse. The chicken is cooked well along with masala. You can see nice smell. So now the last and not the least, we'll add the coconut.
So guys, now our chicken sukka is ready to serve. You can eat it with neer dosa, rice, paratha, anything is fine, and it goes very well with anything. So if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and ring the notification bell for more such videos. Bye.